is supposed to at least check the sidewalls, make sure that the unit is cooling down. Of course, it's hard to go in there with a thermometer and do any work because the back of the truck is open at that point. So you're not going to get a really good idea. But, of course, there are gauges. There should be gauges on what we call the reefer box, and those thermometers that are built in can be checked. But, of course, what happens when that truck pulls out on the road and goes to its next delivery, we just simply don't know. And then the last thing is the security of these trucks. The Bioterrorism Act requires that the operator have a traceability system. And part of those controls are being able to identify through manifests, bills of lading, etc., which products went on which trucks and where they went, but also that the truck was either sealed or locked before leaving. So there are a number of important issues here in transportation, and they're getting addressed little by little, but I think it's an area that is going to come under more closer scrutiny, and so therefore I'm glad to be able to talk a little bit about this.
Well, Roy, you've hit a lot of interesting points. I think that it would be very helpful for the group if you could outline the HACCP responsibilities for both the shipper, the food producer, as they enter the vehicle, and then the actual trucking company. Those two delineations may be helpful for the group.
Well, when we talk about HACCP, we're talking about hazard analysis critical control point, and we're talking about a systematic approach to applying food safety measures. So typically the receiving of product is not considered a CCP unless, of course, that product has got a history of being